Hey there, fellow New Yorkers. If you're tired of fumbling with your MetroCard and ready to dive into the futuristic world of OMNY, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer your MetroCard balance to OMNY step by step. This is a game changer for seamless subway and bus rides, and I'll make sure you get it right the first time. First off, what's the deal with OMNY? It's the MTA's new contactless payment system that lets you tap your phone or card to pay for rides. But before you jump in, make sure your MetroCard has a balance you want to transfer. Aim for at least $5.50 to cover a full fare ride. Step 1. Head over to the official MTA website or download the OMNY app on your smartphone. It's super straightforward and free. Once you're there, log in with your existing MTA account or create a new one if you haven't already. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Next, look for the Transfer Balance option. You'll need to enter your MetroCard details, like the card number, which you can find on the back. The system will verify your card and show you the available balance. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Now, initiate the transfer. Follow the prompts to link your balance to your OMNY account. This might involve confirming with a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, your balance should appear in your OMNY account almost instantly. After that, you're good to go. Test it out by tapping your phone or linked card at a turnstile. Remember, once transferred, that balance is tied to OMNY, so you can't go back to your old MetroCard. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, the MTA has customer support ready to help via their website or app. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more city smarts. Stay safe out there and happy commuting.